Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure OneDrive is active and you're signed into the correct account. Once done, locate the OneDrive icon in the system tray and right-click or tap it to open settings. This gives you direct control over backup options. Make sure any files you need are synced before changing settings so nothing is lost. If the icon's hidden, expand the tray, then open Settings account to proceed with stopping auto backup. Now navigate to Settings, then the Backup tab, and choose Manage Backup for folders. You'll see Desktop, Documents, and Pictures listed. Turn off the toggles for each folder you don't want auto backed up. When OneDrive prompts, choose Stop Backup. This preserves files on your PC by default but halts future uploads. Make sure to verify the folders no longer show as protected. If you want, move critical files to another folder that isn't monitored. To finalize, pause syncing briefly or, for a full stop, unlink your PC from the account in Account Settings. This ends automatic backups. Once done, check the OneDrive status. It should show paused or no active backup for those folders. If changes don't apply, restart OneDrive or sign out and sign back in to force a settings refresh. If files still upload, confirm you disabled backup on all devices tied to the same account. That often resolves lingering syncs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.